Good morning, everyone. It's an exciting day for all of us here, and I couldn't be more thrilled to unveil something that's going to redefine how we interact with code bases. Introducing Nebula. Nebula is our AI powered solution that transforms complicated repositories into elegant human readable documentation and many more. So let's see how it works. First, we have to log in. We are using Clerk as our authentication service. So after authentication, we will be redirected to this page where the user need to enter a GitHub repository URL which they want to query. So let me enter the GitHub repository URL first. So I have entered the repository URL and let's analyze the repo. You will be able to see the output on the right hand side. We are using Fast API as our backend services. We are also using Llama 70 billion versatile model with Grok services and Gemini 2.0 Flash model. So let's wait for the output to generate. So you can already see that the output is generated. This is the markdown output. Now we will move to the next section. This is the chat page. This is not just a regular chatbot. We are using Grok models, as I have already said. We are using Llama 70 billion versatile model and Gemini 2.0 Flash. This is something more, not regular chatbot. First, you have to set the URL. You have to select the URL which you have used to generate the summary. So let's select it, and you can ask any questions. Like, let me give a question that says, "Tell me about the text tags used here." Let's see what it gives. So as you can see, it generated the correct text tags. In the front end, they are using Android XML for layout definition. They have the Java backend with Android SDK. They have no database blockchain. And so the LLM is giving the correct responses. In this, we are specifically using vector embeddings and vector search to get accurate results. So now let's move to the next section. Now this is the most interesting section. You can generate LinkedIn post, README, article, PPT, whatever you want in this section. So first you need to select that repository. So I have selected that repository. On the left side, you can see the previous generated contents. Like I have generated a LinkedIn post a few minutes ago to a README post and a PPT. So I will demonstrate you. So now let's generate a README again. So as you can see, the LLM is giving the correct response. It had generated a README, a beautiful README. And on the left panel, you can see there are two versions. That is, you can also see the version of the README you have generated. If you generate another README, you can also see that version as well. Now it's up to you which version you want to choose. Suppose you choose version 1. So you can see this, you can preview that version. You want to delete that version, it's up to you. You can delete this. Or you can delete all the generated READMEs, LinkedIn post, PowerPoint presentation, whatever you want. So now let's generate a LinkedIn post as well. So yep, as you can see, it had generated a LinkedIn post, a beautiful LinkedIn post. You can check the versions. This is the current version. You can check this. You can copy this if you want to and edit on your own. You can delete this, and in fact, you can delete all the contents. So if you click delete all contents and agree to that, okay, all contents have been deleted successfully. And let's see, no content is found. So this is the generation page where you can generate anything. Like you can also generate PowerPoint presentation. Let me demonstrate you that also. Yep, you can see slide-wise descriptions, prompts, and many more. You can see that version too here. Okay, so now let's move.
This is the pricing page of our Nebula project, which will be the future implementation because everything now is free. But on successful completion of the project, we will be uh, giving some premium content, some predefined premium templates for the user. Maybe the whole PowerPoint presentation can be available. The entire PPT file can be available. And so there will be a dummy payment only. That is the test payment option, where I can give the cardholder name and everything, and I can just pay. However, this is only a test mode enabled payment. So the pricing is still now not being integrated fully. However, the test payments are working fine. In the future implementation, we will be trying to implement the pricing page as well. And apart from that, there is the frequently asked questions section. You have questions, you get the answers. Now explore the editor section of Nebula. So still now, Nebula can generate a various type of content like article, readme, tweet, LinkedIn post, PowerPoint presentations, speeches, and various other type of content even the user may prompt in his or her demand. Now for the editor section, we can edit the articles, the contents, readmes, tweets given by the gen bots and edit it to our own convenience. So let me just choose an article, chosen the article, and let me just paste it here. Now I see that I don't require some last few lines of my article, so let me delete it and I can also save it. Now upon saving, we can save the article as well as we can export the article to our local machine that will be downloaded automatically. So we can also open this, and yep, we have our article here given and edited. Now, what if I tell that we can also publish the articles or the README, mainly the articles, to blockchain and earn out of it? So for that, we have our Nebula blog platform where we can publish the articles and other users can also buy those articles. So let's now explore the Nebula blog platform. For that, I am just going to copy one of my article content and let's now go to the publish part. So here we are with the Nebula blog platform. Let me connect my wallet quickly and I will be back. So I have connected my wallet with the Nebula blog platform, my MetaMask wallet, and let me just quickly now publish my article. So for the tags, let me give Web3 as a tag, and let me give NFT as a tag, and let me give decentralized application as another tag. For the article, let me just tell this NF, DApp and NFT are fascinating. For the preview content, I'm going to paste the copied article content, which I copied from the Nebula platform. And as this is the preview content, which will be visible to all users, also those who have not paid for the article, so I am going to delete some of the content of the article and I will be leaving behind only few content for the preview content. Now for the full content, I am going to paste the full content of the article and let me just publish my article at a value of 0.005 ETH. So I'm going to publish my article and other users can only view the preview content of the article until they pay, and after payment they can view the full content of the article. So here are my articles which I published beforehand, and on refreshing I can see my newly published article. Here it is. DApp and NFT are fascinating, isn't it? So let me view, and as I'm the author of the article myself, I can view the full content of the article. I don't have to pay. But now let me just log in from another account to show that how other users, when they visit my profile and view my articles, if they are wanting to buy my articles, how can they buy, and how can I withdraw my earnings from their payment. So here is the another account which I have logged in, and these are my previous accounts profile and articles. So I bought some of my articles purchased, so your purchased articles, and yeah, I am now going to buy this. DApp and NFT are fascinating, this title article. So now I can only view the preview content. As I told, the other users can only view the preview content, and for the premium content, for the full content, they will have to pay to unlock the full content. So let me just quickly pay, and I'm going to confirm the transaction, and yeah, here I am with the full content available for the article. And that article has also come under my purchased articles section, as I have purchased the article successfully. Now let me log in from my another account, the author account, and withdraw my earnings from that account. So back with my author account, and on refreshing I can see that yeah, author earnings 0.005 is that I have paid. So from my author account, let me just withdraw my earnings. So I'm going to withdraw my earnings, confirm, and yeah, my earnings have been successfully withdrawn. If I go to my MetaMask wallet, then I can see that this was the earning that I withdraw. As well as on the refresh of the page, I can see that no more earnings are left to be withdrawn, as I've withdrawn all the payment pending withdrawals. So yeah, that's the Nebula decentralized application blog platform. Just sit back, generate your articles using our Nebula generation bot, copy those articles contents, and simply come to this blog platform, publish your articles, and earn out of it. It's that simple. And for viewing other users' articles, I can also enter the wallet address of that particular user, and on clicking the view button, I will be able to view his articles and also buy the articles if I like those. So that's the Nebula blog platform, and our whole Nebula project tutorial comes to an end. Thank you.